What is that one key thing which is common between Thomas Edison, Steve Jobs, and Elon Musk? It's their ability to solve big problems. They created things which changed the world with their unique skills and insights, but at the root of their achievement was this innate superpower. This superpower is called computational thinking. So what exactly is computational thinking and how can we harness this superpower? Let's find out. Computational thinking isn't new. In fact, its root can be traced back to the pioneering work of one remarkable individual, Alan Turing, a British mathematician, logician, and cryptanalyst. He is widely considered as the father of theoretical computer science and artificial intelligence. So the story goes back to the time of the Second World War. The Germans used an electromechanical device to encrypt their military communication and protect sensitive information from being intercepted and understood by the Allied forces. This device was called as the Enigma machine, and it was one of the toughest mathematical problems to break. Turing played a pivotal role in breaking the Enigma code. He and his team working at the Bletchley Park, the UK's code-breaking centre, developed the Bombay machine. It was an electromechanical device that could process and eliminate improbable Enigma settings at high speed, vastly reducing the time required to find the correct settings to decrypt the messages. This helped allies win the war. If you haven't watched the film The Imitation Game, I would highly recommend you to watch it. But the gist is, Turing used the principles of computational thinking to devise the machine and help his country win the war. That's why it's a superpower we should all learn. So coming back to our question, what is computational thinking? Well, think of it like a recipe for problem solving and a way of approaching problems with a strategic mindset. It's made of 4 key principles: decomposition, pattern recognition, abstraction, and algorithmic thinking. Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds. Let's start with decomposition. It's like when you're faced with a giant, intimidating project at work or school. Decomposition means breaking it down into bite-sized pieces, just like how you might build a big Lego set by first building the smaller sections. By taking this step by step, the overall task becomes much less daunting. Next up, we have pattern recognition. In everyday life, we can look for patterns in data, behavior, or processes. For example, if you're trying to organize your cluttered closet, you might notice that you tend to wear certain types of clothes together. Recognizing those patterns can help you create a more efficient organizing system. Third principle is abstraction. It's about zooming out and focusing on the essential information while ignoring the irrelevant details. It's like looking at a map. You don't need to see every single tree and house to navigate from point A to point B. You just place your point A and B on your map and it will show you the directions. In problem solving, abstraction helps you identify the core issues and filter out the noise. And finally, we have algorithmic thinking. An algorithm is just a fancy word for a set of step-by-step instructions. So when you're cooking, the recipe is your algorithm. So whenever you're down to fixing the smallest piece of the problem, think in terms of clear, logical steps to solve it. By breaking it down into a sequence of actions, we can often find solutions more effectively. These methods are not just for the tech wizards. You can use it wherever you want. So whether you're trying to navigate a busy subway system or organizing your weekly grocery list, it doesn't matter whether you are an artist, a designer, a musician, or chef, or just a homemaker. Computational thinking will not only improve your ability to tackle problems in your domain of work, but also in general make you a better thinker. Steve Jobs once said that everyone should learn how to code because that will make you a better thinker. Yes, AI has arrived and soon most of your tasks will be done by some kind of an AI. But if you have this tool in your kitty, you'll be able to master AI better than your peers. So now when you're planning a big vacation, break it down into things like booking flights, finding accommodation, searching for the best restaurants, and creating an itinerary. If you're working on fixing your personal finances, look for patterns in your spending habits and see which expenses are consuming most of your budget. When you're learning a new skill, try to identify the essential concepts and focus on those first. Filter out the noise and find the signal. Cultivating this will make you increasingly valuable in this world. You might be doing some of these things in your day-to-day work already, but now it's time to think proactively on this. So if you start to proactively use these 4 methods in your day-to-day problems and big projects, it will help you to solve those problems in a strategic manner. So start small and gradually incorporate these ideas into your daily life. With practice, you'll be amazed at how much more equipped you feel to handle whatever challenges come your way. Thanks for watching and happy problem solving. If you liked the video, do press the like button so that the algorithm will push this video to more viewers, and also share it with your friends. Subscribe to Tinkerbrains to get notifications on all the future videos. Thank you.